Hi, I'm Dr. Carr, and I want to talk to you about Hallmark 4. Hallmark 4 is actually a project that's embedded into one of our master's level courses in school administration. It's called EDL 526. If you take the course, it actually mirrors the Hallmark, starts at the beginning and works its way up to the final project. Obviously, if you're not taking the course and you're going to complete the Hallmark, then there's some things and some tips that might help you out. The Hallmark project itself is basically, think of it as 3 segments. First segment is research and best practices. Second segment is going to be a case study, and the third segment then is going to be how you resolve that case study. In other words, the solution. So 3 sections, approximately 2 pages each section, so it's not a very long particular project, but the quality is what really we're going to be looking at. So when you begin this project, what you need to be thinking of is you're a school administrator, and as an administrator, there are so many things that you're going to run into. Areas such as finance, attendance, safety, transportation, human resource, achievement, all of these areas, while they look like separate modules, all kind of overlap. So what you're going to be doing is selecting a problem area, and it's going to focus on 2 aspects of it. So it could be human resource and transportation. It could be finance and attendance. However you want to merge that together, but pick 2 topics. Those 2 topics is going to be your focus, and you're going to create a case study, a hypothetical situation. You're going to do the research about this particular problem. So if you're doing, say, transportation and human resource, then you're going to look at all the best practices on transportation, best practices, whatever your human resource problem is. So you're going to give an overview to that. Then you're going to talk about the case study, the actual hypothetical situation, and then you're going to resolve it. So if you think in terms of the Hallmark, you are simply telling what you're going to do in a hypothetical situation as an administrator. Make sure you go to your handbook, the MSA handbook, and you'll see the ePortfolio section where you're going to fill this out. There's also another page that's like a rubric that talks about how you've met the different criteria. Those are an important part of the Hallmark project, and you can find that in your handbook. And there's also a written explanation of the Hallmark. So hopefully this information will help you and kind of get you through this particular Hallmark. Thanks.